Hello guys, we are doing AMC 12A 2021 4 problem 3. Let's start with the problem. Mr. Lopez has a choice of two routes to get to work. Okay. I assume it's route A and route B. For route A, it is 6 miles long. And he has the speed along this road is the velocity is 30 miles per hour, and route B is 5 miles long, and then his average speed along this road is 40 miles per hour. Okay, it's faster. However, it says except for a 1/2 hour miles in a school zone where his average speed is 20 miles per hour. Okay, and then how many minutes is route B quicker than route A? Actually, I think this is a physics problem instead of a mathematics problem. Anyway, so the only thing we need to worry about is the formula that the time is always equal to the distance divided by velocity. I think that is the golden formula here. If you go back to the original question, for the time of A is equal to 6 miles divided by 30 miles per hour. You know what? Actually, one trick is, or not one trick, it's just one fact is, in physics or in mathematics, whatever. So not only the numbers can be used to do operations, but also for the unit. For example, I will show the magic. So what's on top is actually not 6, not only 6, it is 6 miles, right? It is 6 miles. And then what's in the bottom is 30 mile per hour, right? As we can see, not only we can do operations for 6 divided by 30, you can also make the operations for the unit. For example, it is miles divided by hours. So actually the miles canceled out, and the hours is actually 1 over hours and over 1. So after the hours flip it, and it becomes 6 over 30. And the magic is you can directly do the calculations and get the unit as hours. And when you go back to the original quantity, you see this is a quantity about the time. And that is, you can double check your answer. You are doing it in the correct way, because after the operations of unit, you exactly got a unit of hours, right? So that is actually one fact. You can not only do manipulations of numbers, you can also do manipulations of the unit. That is one thing you often use in physics. So, but remember, in the problem, it asks you minute, right? It asks you minute. So we need to convert this one in hours, right? So it is 6 divided by 30 hours. If you turn that into minutes, then it is equal to 6 over 30 and multiplied by 60 minutes. All right, so that is for the number of minutes in root A. And similarly, we can do things in root B. And for root B, we have two parts. Remember, there's a 1/2 miles, that's for school zone. That means for the other half is 4.5 hours, right? So we have 4.5 divided by the velocity is 40, and then plus the other 0.5 over 20. And then what we need to do is to convert that um, into minutes. So multiply by 60. All right, we're almost done. And uh, let's simplify this. So time A is equals to, this one is 12 minutes. And then time B is equals to 4.5 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, and then this is 0.5 multiplied by 3. Okay, I'm not an arithmetic guy. This is 13.5 divided by 2 and plus 1.5, which is equals to all right, it's 6.75 plus 1.5, which is 8.25. Yes. Okay. So quicker. All right. Quicker is 12 minus 8.25, which is equals to 3.75, which is 3 3.75. So we choose B here. That's it. I think the only thing, so the trick for this one is first, there's only one formula, which is the time is equal to the distance divided by velocity. I think that is the only formula you need to memorize. That's not a mathematics formula, it's actually a physics formula. And the only trick that makes it a little complicated is for the rod B. It is divided into two parts. One is we can see that is V1 is equal to 40 miles per hour. The other is V2 is equal to 20 miles per hour. It divided in two zones. So the final time for rod B is actually the summation of the time span for each segment. I think after you know this, you can do this. You can do this problem correctly. Thanks for watching.